solving a Rubik's Cube. Okay. Nerd, you want peanuts? Stop it, I'm concentrating. I did it! I solved the Rubik's Cube. Told you. Ow.
Hello, I'm Mr. Rubik's, and this is my baby.
Hi.
I created the Rubik's Cube, and you solved it.
That wasn't supposed to happen.
I thought you were supposed to solve Rubik's Cubes. Isn't that the whole point?
I thought I made the Rubik's Cube insolvable, but you solved it, and now the world will end.
So I made the world end. This is great. This is awesome. Now what do I do? Hey. Hey. Yeah, the world's gonna end now.
Oh, that's nice.
Wait. So if you made the world end, can't you just reverse it?
There is one way, but it is totally classified.
We could tell you, but we'd have to kill you.
If the world's gonna end, I would die anyway. What's your one way to save the world?
You have to go across a bridge with the troll who will smash you, and then up a mountain with spikes and tigers and cougars, and then when you get to the top you have to ride a donkey through a tightrope, and on the bottom there's a pool full of dead people and scarab beetles from the movie The Mummy. And then bridge 20 feet down to the ground without any support, and once you hit it you may break your legs. Then you have to drag your body through a mine-infested field without hitting any of them. It might be a little hard. Then there's giant monsters who will tear your flesh apart, and there will be blood and toes. Then you'll fall down a pit of death, and you go all the way down, and there's bats and dead people, and you'll die when you hit the bottom, but somehow you'll still be alive, and you'll have to get into a hole full of snakes and centipedes and scorpions, and they'll rip apart your body, and it'll be horrible and disgusting, and you won't make it through unless you're invincible.
Can't I just mess up the Rubik's Cube again so it's not solved?
Not if I have it.
I haven't. Whole life I've been wanting the world to end because these foolish humans are ugly. So, I finally found the nerd who can do it. And now I'm happy. Ha ha ha! It's gonna end the world.
You disgusting, horrible baby!
You disgusting, horrible fun!
There's only one thing that can kill someone that stupid. Cheese. I can't destroy my only son. Maybe your sister can help you.
Hey, that's a good idea.
Ashton!
Ashton,
What? You need to help me.
why?
I have a stick of cheese and I have to go throw it at some kids so that the world won't end. Can you please help? Come on.
A little boy's bedroom, nice secret lair.
Oh,
Okay.
Mama, I love you!
Oh my gosh. Just kill him. I'll be okay.
I'm a bottle of
We only have a couple seconds left and the world's gonna end. Do the honors. No one ever solves it, the world to be safe.
What's this?
Doofus, one twist is done.
Yes!
Wow.
Action.
Say action.
Action.
Stop laughing.
Say, I created the Rubik's Cube, and this lighting is horrible. No, I'm kidding. Don't say that. I'll go right here. Okay, ready? Go. It's gonna be a tight headshot. Look at Ashton. Brian, stop bouncing, please. And giggling. Don't say like, the world is the solved.
Oh.
Okay. Okay, ready?
I didn't make it.
You're supposed to go.
You're supposed to be positive and silly.
Action!
Joey,
Action!
You're filming!
I'm laughing. Stop it!
I was filming.
My world! You disgusting father! Disgusting horrible father! You disgusting horrible, disgusting horrible fungus-growing father! I hate you!
Nice secret lair, Batman. Doesn't matter, we can get it anyway. It's okay.
I'm doing a complete split!
It's okay.
Okay, I got it.
Oh my god!
You okay? Oh my god. Oh gosh, you're not supposed to hit me. You okay?
Go.
Come on, Brent.